Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
I have a toddler who is super rough with his cups, and the current ones we have been using are starting to get a bit worn. I love this astronaut themed space cup from Mollcity. It is so perfect. I love how durable it is. It's got this nice wide straw, and I just love the size of it. It is perfect for his little hands. It has this rubber grippy on the bottom, which is super handy. As you can see, you can't knock it over very easily. And I really love that he can carry this around and it doesn't spill. As long as it is closed, this is a completely leak proof, which is amazing because as you can see, he drops it all over the couch and everything, and we don't have to worry about cleaning up wet messes from this bottle. It is also so cute and he loves drinking from it. It is the perfect size. This is the 12-ounce bottle that we got.
No matter what age your kids are, these bottles are absolutely perfect. I love the nice wide straw and that it also comes with the straw cleaner and an extra straw, and this rubber grip on the bottom is super handy. These bottles are so great. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.